Hi friends and family, my name is Zinglekama and I welcome you guys to my YouTube channel. Please make this your permanent YouTube home by clicking the subscribe and the notification bell down below. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, talk to me in the comment section and share this video with your friends and family. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this top knot bun done. So what you need is a hairbrush, you need a wide tooth comb, some molding gel, you need braiding hair. So here you just want to separate the hair into two and then separate it again into two, and then you'll take one of the sections and you twist it in whichever direction you want to twist it in, but then you have to keep this direction the same for all 4 sections that you'll be doing. You will be splitting the hair into 4 sections, by the way. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.